Hello, in this video, we're going to create an automated workflow with Integromat, Tally Forms, and Google Sheets. What we're going to do is anytime anyone completes our form in Tally Forms, we're going to add their entry to Google Sheets where we're storing all our data. So to do this, you're going to need a free account with Integromat. You're going to need Tally Forms, a free account, and you're going to need Google Sheets or a Google account. The first thing we want to do is log in. I am just going to sign in. And we want to start a new scenario. We want to click this plus sign and search Tally. And just leave that there for now. The next thing we want to do is to go to Tally Forms. We want to log into Tally Forms. And we're going to create a new form. I'm going to give the form a title. And I am going to insert some blocks. So I'm going to insert a basic question block and say, what is your full name? I'm going to insert another question block and say, what is your email? The next thing I want to do is to click publish. That is now published, and anyone who completes the form, we will get the data from that. But this data is not going to Google Sheets. So that's what we're going to work on next. To do that, we have to sign into Google Sheets, create a new spreadsheet. We're going to name this spreadsheet. We're going to give this spreadsheet some headers. And that should be it for the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is now ready to receive data, but we have to connect the two. This is where Integromat comes back into play. So we already added Tally here. What we want to do is to connect Tally as a product to Integromat as a product. So what we want to do is click add. We're going to add a collection. You're going to name the connection. I'm just going to name it my Tally connection. I'm going to click accept. And that's now connected. I can find my form, Hello Universe. Click OK. And once I click OK, that is now ready. So what's actually happening is Integromat is going to watch all the new responses that come through Tally. What we want to do is add another module. And we're going to add another module here. And this time we're going to click Google Sheets. We want to add a row with Google Sheets. We need to add the connection first. So we're going to name the connection. I'm going to leave it my Google connection. I'm going to connect it to Google. I'm going to allow. Now I have to select the spreadsheet, and it is called Hello Universe, I believe. And now I had to select the sheet. It's called sheet 1. And yes, the table contains headers. And now I need to map the data coming from Tally. So I'm going to map that to what is your full name. I'm going to map that to what is your email. And I'm going to click OK. Lastly, what we want to do is we want to test this. So we're going to click run once. And now it's waiting to receive data. So what I want to do is I want to complete this form. And I'm going to put Dominic. I'm going to put my email. Now I completed the form. So if I go back to Integromat, you can see it has this tick, it has this tick. And if we go back to our spreadsheet data, we should see Dominic and the email. So we know it's working. The last thing we have to do with Integromat, we have to save this. We have to go back and we have to turn it on. So we just turn it on. We run scenario immediately. We can change it to regular intervals once a day, different time periods. We click activate. And that's it. So now anytime a user, and we're just going to do this again. And anytime a user completes the form, if I type in no code, I type in no code at gmail.com, we should have that no code at nocodegmail.com. So we know our automation now works. That is a very quick introduction into creating automations with Integromat, Google Sheets, and Tally. I'll be doing a lot more on automations and workflows. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And happy hacking.